Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So, crypto's been pretty quiet, at least for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin moving sideways in this horizontal channel. Finally looks like it's going to get a key above these key highs. It's now back above the rotation zone. This looks like it's going to set up a double cross pattern, which is on the 4 hour, the shorter time frame, you get a cross and then a cross back. It just means it had a bigger corrective pattern on the daily, the higher up time frame, and we'll take a look at that in a second. We're going to be watching key resistance about 88.36. If we get above 88.36, we'll go back into more bullish mode. Next target area about 8900 to 8950. So 8900 is a prior retracement level. 8950 is sort of the top of these bodies of this horizontal channel. That's the next key resistance. Then we'd start watching for a return to the highs. Key support on a closing basis coming around about 8,600, on a full retracement basis 8,500. So if you get a close below 8,600, watch immediately for a return to 8,500, and then 8,500. Now we've had 4 times in here. If we got a close below 8,500, it would not be good, and we'd probably see a pretty rapid sell-off. However, if you see another dip and buyers step in, that's a pretty good signal. You see all the buying pressure stepping in right around 8,500. There's a very big support shelf there. Switching over to the daily chart. So you see in here, clearly at an overbought condition, dipping into the rotation zone. The rotation zone is about 86.50 on the daily chart, and the bottom of it is 82.64. So if you did get a close below that 8,500, we'd start watching for a pretty quick return to about 82.50. That's really all we have on Bitcoin. Ethereum drifted sideways and started making another ratchet up horizontal channel. So you had this channel, then it ratcheted up, it broke out of there, then it formed another slightly higher channel. Looks like it's starting to get some traction right now. So what we're going to be watching, you could put the short-term levels on here. We'll be watching about 171. Then we'll be watching for the 174, then 176.40, then 179.24. Key support now coming in with the rising 50 and these candle body support pattern right about 163.75. If we get a close about below 163.50, then we'll start watching for a quick retest of about 161, and if we fell below that, we'd start looking for the 158 area. Switching over to the daily chart. Daily chart, you see getting supported by the rotation zone right here. Key support. That key support coming in about 164.80. So again, that close below 164.80, start watching for the bigger pullback. So that's really all. None of the other levels have changed the upside. So if we get above this, I'd say 180.50, that's where the declining 200 is, just above this most recent swing high. Then we'll start watching for the return to the cluster area about 186 to 187, and then 195. So we have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.